Quick little video for you guys. Here's the Murray, and I have a bunch of videos backdating it to this progress, but here she is. I don't actually have internet, and I don't actually have my computer to edit videos on, so this is being really difficult. So I do have videos, and they will be coming out as soon as I can, but just to give you guys a little insight on what's going on here. The Murray's got a rebuild, and a lot of stuff's been done to it, and all kinds of parts here, there, and everywhere. But anyway, she's getting broke in. The motor's getting broke in. So if that doesn't tell you enough, you'll have to wait until you see the videos. So I'm going to give her a start here and let it run and idle and run a heat cycle on it. There she is. Stay tuned, guys. Have a good one.